Second one is self-management. Third one is self-motivation. Fourth one is self-awareness. And fifth one is social awareness.
Anybody ready?
Second, relationship management, self-motivation, social awareness, next self-awareness, then social awareness.
Super. Thank you. Next group. Are you ready?
First is self-management. Second, relationship. Third, self-awareness. Fourth, social awareness. Fifth, self-assessment.
AURA positive aura. Last.
बेस्ट ब्राइटेस्ट में है मैं तुम्हारा हाँ ये
RA aura.
First is relationship management. Second is self-awareness. Third is self-motivation. Fourth, self-management. And last, social management.
Last.
Fifth, social awareness.